Hello everyone, my name is Agung Prastio Teguh-Wahono. I'm student of ITB Ahmad Dahlan Jakarta, study Design Communication Visual. And this video, I will presentation all about batik. First slide, batik pattern of meaning, clothes, community, and culture. Batik is more than decorated fabric across region and generation. Its whole definition, history, tradition, and values. Explanation of object, everyday practice, and the way people interpret their world. This presentation explores how batik function as cultural text, what it teaches, who sustain it, and how meaning are negotiation between maker, wearing, and viewers. What is batik? Batik is a wax resin dyeing technique for clothes. Traditional process combine careful waxing of pattern, multiply dye beds, and repeat waxing or removal to build layering color and intricate motif. Material range for handspoon, cotton, hand slick to modern blends. Tools include stitching, pen-like spool, copper stamp, chop, and natural or synthetic dyes. The method, procedure rhythm, wax dye, boil, remove wax, is itself a cultural practice carrying knowledge across entrepreneurship and household. Next slide, origin and historical journey. Batik has deep root across South and Southeast Asia with strong historical centers in Java, Indonesia, part of Malaysia and South Asia. They spread along trade routes, absorbing iconography and materials from freight contact, space traders, colonial power, and inter-island network. Local core and region institution shape motif and style. And colonial era industrialism introduced machine-made alternative, changing production pattern will also prompting cultural removal movement in 20 local style and regional signature. Central Java, curly elegance, intricate repeating motif parang kaum historically associated with royal courts. Patterns carry hierarchical, symbolic, and strict rules about how many wear content design. Coast and region, lively, red aesthetic, open, floral, and more colorful motif, influenced by maritime trade, forage, textile, and everyday commerce. Design are often bolder and more accessible to general market. Contemporary and hybrid style, modern designer blend traditional technique with new motif, eco dyes, and global fashion sensibilities. Explaining batik meaning will navigate the budget about authenticity and cultural ownership. Symbols and semiotic. What motif mean? Batik motif are visual language. Floral pattern can signify fertility and prosperity. Parang increase, inspire, motif reference, authority, bravery, and lineage. Geometries, repeat, my signal, order, and continuity. Symbol meaning vary by local and context. The same motif can carry different connotation in ritual, everyday dress, or political expression. Understanding batik requires listening to local narrative about motif, not only reading pattern destination. Batik in rituals, life event, and social life. Ritual rules, clothes uses in wedding, birth, funeral, and coming of age rituals. Specific pattern often reserved for ceremony, convey familial status and spiritual protection. In many communities, batik is an activity participant in life cycle event. Bridal trousers include signature textile. Mourning rituals may use subdued pattern. Community leaders wear distinctive design at public ceremonies. These uses reinforce social bond, transmit values across generations, and make cloud a repository and communal memory. Economic and knowledge transmission. Batik sustain livelihood through both formal workshop and informal home-based production. Knowledge is transmission via apprenticeship, intergeneration, teaching, and local guild. Market shift, tourism, global fashion, and e-commerce affect pricing, design, choice, and profit. Contemporary initiative aim to protect artisan income through comparative geographic indication program and skill training while preserving technique integrity. Cultural politic authenticity, appropriation, and revival. Batik sit the center of cultural debates. Question about who has the right to reproduce motif, how to credit origins communities, and when fusion become appropriation are common. Revival movement often led by cultural institutions and local artisans seek to reclaim narrative authority, document oral histories, and establish protection such as UNESCO recognition or geographic indication. This effort balance openness into innovation with safeguarding intangible cultural heritage. Next slide, contemporary creative practice and sustainability. Eco-friendly dyes, growing adaptation of plant-based dyes and water-saving technique reduce environmental impact and reconnect craft into ecology knowledge system. Collaborative design, partnership between design and artisan can spark new market while providing income, but ethical collaboration require equitable authorship and benefit sharing. Global conversation. Batik appear on international runway, in museum, and in digital marketplace, prompting dialogue about profession, innovation, and how global demand reshape local practice. Next slide, key takeaways and next step for cultural engagement. First, batik technique and knowledge. Second, social and ritual meaning. Third, contemporary ethic and trend. Summary. First, batik is simultaneously a craft technique and living knowledge system embedded in communities. Second, motif and usage encode social values, life cycle roles, and local history. Third, meaning are situation and relational. Third, contemporary dynamic market design, local protection, create opportunities and reach for cultural heritage and artisan livelihood. Recommended action for respectful engagement. First, listen first. Center local voice when interpreting motif and history. Second, support equitable economic, prefer cooperative, transparent supply chains, and fair trade partnership. Third, encourage documentation, found oral histories, technique, archive, and apprenticeship program. 4. Promote sustainable practice, incentive natural dyes, and research consumer products method. Last slide. Batik, a living heritage, far beyond its aesthetic appeal. Batik embodies centuries of cultural wisdom, community stories, and evolving artistic expression. Its intricate pattern tell a tale of tradition, innovation, and identity, woven into the fabric of human experience. By following its artistry, recognizing its social depth, and supporting ethical practices, we hope ensure this extraordinary heritage thrive for generations to come.